Hello friend, welcome to my new video. Product name LeadRocks. Product description: LeadRocks is a reliable B2B content database with 100 million plus record, email, phone number and LinkedIn. Price $79, 95% commission. LeadRocks image. Best for marketing agency, recruiters, sales managers. Alternative tool: ZoomInfo, Salesforce, etc. Overview: LeadRocks is a very simple data enrichment tool and script that provides basic but very powerful feature. It seems pretty easy but can hard drive the whole lead generation process for you. Highly reliable B2B contact database. LeadRocks List. Number 1, save your search result to a new list. Save your enrichment result to a new list. Stored data LeadRocks or export to a CSV. Upload your CSV into your CRM or any automation tool to gear up your prospecting. Data enhancement. LeadRocks enhancement. Upload a list of LinkedIn profile URL. Pull email and phone number available in your base for every profile in your list. Save result in LeadRocks or export your enhanced list to a CSV. LeadRocks Prospecting. Email outreach. Plans and feature. Core feature: Plan 1, Plan 2, Plan 3. Thank you so much.